Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to completely remove the CMS plugin of RedmineUP. So it is a guide to uninstall the CMS from your Redmine. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to open your command line if you're working on a Linux operating system, and it is done with the buttons Ctrl Alt and T. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it a little bit so you have to see it better. Okay, I think it is good now. Alright, so the uninstallation process is done with 3 simple steps, and now I'm going to show it to you. Firstly, you have to change the directory to your core Redmine folder, which in my case is Redmine 5. Okay, now, and the very first command and step here that you have to do is to downgrade your database. It is done with the command bundle exec rake redmine plugins, and here into the name section it is very important to set the correct name of the plugin you are trying to uninstall. So in our case it is Redmine CMS. Okay, so we continue. Version 0 Rails and production. Okay, so we see that the downgrading process is now taking place. All these lines of code are this process. So it has just finished here into this last line. Okay, so the second step that you have to do is to simply remove the plugins folder itself. So it is done with the command remove forcibly and recursively plugins Redmine CMS. Okay, and the third and last step is to just restart your Redmine. It is a very important step because it is needed for applying the steps. All these things are going to be applied after restarting. So it is done with the command touch temporary restart point txt. Okay, so let's go back into our Redmine and see if everything is fine there. So we just refresh our page and see if the CMS plugin is going to disappear from the list. It is now gone. So we have done our job good. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos into our articles and documentations. So thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.